Good morning to all the children and parents. This assignment is for class 2 for the subject of mathematics, being submitted on 11th October 2021. Today's lesson is lesson 5, division. We are going to continue and learn today solving word problems. Now, what is word problems? Like we did statement sums and subtraction, addition, multiplication, we are going to do same in the division also. So before solving the word problem, we have to keep in mind two important steps. Read the question carefully. What is the question asking? First read the question, then you will be able to know what the question is asking. Now let us understand this through an example. If Reena sticks 9 pictures on every page, if she has 90 pictures, how many pages will she need? Now first understand the question. Reena sticks 9 pictures on every page. This is a page. She sticks 9 pictures on this page. If she has 90 pictures, how many pages she requires? So what do we have? Let us write in the statements. Number of pictures. So number of pictures are 90. Number of pictures on each page. How many pictures she pasted? 9 pictures on each page. So 9. Number of pages used to stick 90 pictures. Now we have to find out now how many pages required. So 90 divided by 9. So here we have divided 90 by 9 and we know 9 tens are 90. So 90 minus means subtract. The answer is remainder is 0. Children, this is quotient and this is remainder. Now write one more statement. Reena will need 10 pages to paste 90 pictures. Or we can write 90 divided by 9 is equal to 10. Now let us take another example. 36 books have to be shared equally among 4 students. How many books will each student get? Now 36 books have to be shared equally among 4 students. We have 36 books and 4 students. So our statement will be number of books 36, number of students we have 4. So number of books each student will get. We have to find out this. So last statement will be what we have to find out. So 36 divided by 4. 36 divided by 4, you have to write it like this and solve it. 4 9s are 36. You say the table of 4 till 36 and see 36 minus 36, your remainder is again 0 and quotient is 9. So each student will get 9 books. Now for your home assignment, you are going to solve this. Radha has 50 apples. She divided them in 5 groups. How many apples are there in each group? Now for the first sum, I have written the statements. Numbers you will put here. And the second question is, there are 24 flowers and 6 vases. How many flowers can be put equally into each vase? Read the question 2 times and then write the statements. There are two more questions. A teacher gave 64 books to some children. Each child get 4 books. How many children got the books? Teacher had 64 books. Each child gets 4 books. How many children got? How many books did the children get? Okay. There are 84 candies and 6 boxes. How many candies can be put equally into each box? Okay, this is also your homework. Divide the following without remainder. Here your remainder will be 0. You have to say the table of 3 till you get the answer 18. 3 6 are 18, so 6 here, 18 here, minus 18, and your answer is 0. The remainder is 0. The same way you are going to do this. 12 divided by 2, 40 divided by 5, 42 divided by 6, 72 divided by 4, 96 divided by 8, 54 divided by 2, 98 divided by 7, 56 divided by 4. Your next question is divide the following with remainder. Okay, 21 divided by 6. Now we'll say the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, and 6 fours are 24. 24 is greater than 21, so we will take 6 threes are. 6 threes are 18. Now 21 minus 18 is, count backward, you get 3. So your quotient is 3 and remainder is also 3. The same way, you are not going to get the remainder 0 here. Okay, solve them. So children, I hope the concept of division is clear to you all. Keep on practicing at home.